that morning slide. Coffee on my breath, still hot. Nurse calls my name, deep shot. Paper gown, cold hands, small talk. Doctor taps the screen, sleep enough, I laugh, not really. Heart in my ears, too loud, as they say, just breathing out. This is my body checkup, am I holding too much? All the stress in my shoulders, all the fear in my blood. Tell me I'm stronger than I think I am, healing in the places that I don't understand. This is my body checkup, learning how to show up for me. Step on the scale, I freeze, chasing some number like it owns me. Doctor shrugs, you're more than this. I bite my lip, almost freezes. Listen to my lungs, they ask, any pain where from my point where I never touch. Middle of my chest, that chest.